name's Brandon. Nice to meet you. This thing right here.
Are you guys done? What's going on here?
I'm trying to get a finger up his nose. Listen, Brandon, you have a bugger. You gotta get that shit out.
He ain't having it.
Keep moving it. Like that.
Denied.
Watch. I think I'm the badass because I got the tattoo. And
I'm still going.
I know, I'm trying to get into it. I'm trying to do it.
Megan's like, I don't want to be part of this, but in reality,
Yeah, she does. Come on, Nate.
she's in it. I'm staring at her right now.
Do it. Like, let's play it somewhere. I
win.
This is extremely embarrassing now. Okay.
Alright, I'm done recording.
Okay. Still fun to talk
I know. Are we going outside?
Yep.
Yeah. Are you ready, Megan?
Sorry.
Oh, got your ass in the vid.
Brandon, this doesn't even matter because I have shoulders and everything.
Yeah, well, I don't care. I'll toss your ass out.
No. We didn't. Here in Indiana, we do not lay on our hands.
I'm cutting off at 3 minutes. 3 minutes is overkill. Sorry, Brandon. No.